have a trailer following us. That can't be good, can it? Yeah, we're going on a road trip. We're picking up a car. The newest Rusty Beauty. Well, I shouldn't say the newest. It is actually the oldest, because it is 1957. I guess you know which car I'm talking about. I guess you are following Cheftush as well. For those of you who don't know, first of all, you should go and find Cheftush on YouTube and subscribe, and watch him as well, because he does a really good job on his Triumphs. He has 5, 6, 7, I don't know how many. Anyways, so Cheftush has a 1959 TR3 that he's been restoring 6 years ago, and then he decided to swerve a little bit and he passed his TR3 restoration and he restored a TR250 for the last 5 years or so. So the TR3 was sitting all this time outside of his garage, and now that his TR250 is done, he decided to continue with the TR3. But in the meantime, he found another TR3 that is also, it was a complete car, but he decided to buy it and use parts of each car, parts of the two cars, to finish restoring his own TR3. But for the rest of the parts that are actually adding up to another complete car, he asked me if I wanted it, and I just couldn't say no. I always wanted a TR3. So even though I have a TR6 waiting in the line, even though I'm still restoring my GT6, and I even have a Spitfire waiting outside to be restored as well, well, I decided to put one more car on the line. So I acquired the other TR3. So I'm not really clear still what part of what car I own. So there's a 57 and a 59, but he's swapping bodies now or doing stuff. So whatever is left for me, that's what I'm gonna take. I don't mind. For that price, it was a symbolic price, guys. So anyways, so that's what we're doing today. We're going towards Cheftush right now. We're going to Taj Mahal, and we're gonna help David swap the bodies or whatever parts he's swapping, I don't know. And on the way back, we're gonna bring our car finally. As you may know, if you've been following the channel so far, you know that I already have parts of my TR3. Actually, it's been 6 months now, even more, since I brought the engine home. That was the first part that came home, and it's been sitting under my bench, and I'm surprised that nobody asked what that was, because it's a red engine, and I'm pretty sure that everybody's seen it under my bench in my videos. Anyway, so that's the engine for my TR3. On the wall, I already have the front valance and the grille, and actually in the bed of the truck, since 3-4 days ago, I have lots of fenders. I think I have about 8 fenders, 2 bonnets, and lots of things that Cheftush already gave me. I never managed to unload them, so I'm still driving around the truck with all these parts in the back. So anyways, today we're bringing the rest of the car home. So enough talking, let's get to the Taj Mahal, and we're gonna continue filming there. He's gonna film his own. Oh, I didn't bring my tripod, you see. Anyways, he's gonna film his own video, and I'm gonna film my own video, because like I said, there's 2 cars there, and one stays in the Taj Mahal, one comes to the Rusty Beauty shop. So anyways, enough talking, let's get crack-a-lacking. Alright, here we are at the Taj Mahal. Who's that guy filming me? I don't know why he's filming me. There you go. One of these is mine. Well, I don't know which one, but one of them is mine. The rusty one, he says. Anyway, well, what am I talking about? It's not mine yet.
It's not only rust colored, it's rusty.
It's rusty, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's not mine yet. Hold on. Take this.
Well, thank you very much.
Now it's mine, officially.
I actually blew some of the leaves and sand out of it for you.
Oh, thank you very much. Right, so what is this now? This is my body?
This is your body.
And this is my drivetrain.
Correct.
There underneath. Okay. Too bad. I wanted these wheels.
You want the overdrive.
Yeah, I want the overdrive. So no, I know we don't have engine here. I mean,
You have an engine in your place.
the engine is in my place already. And do I have a transmission? Not yet.
No, you get this one.
Okay, I get this transmission,
Speed transmission.
but he's keeping the engine because I have the engine already, like I said already. Anyways, that's her. I guess you've seen her in David's videos already, but we're gonna put her together now. I guess David's gonna film one video, I'm filming totally different video, but yeah, let's get crack-a-lacking.
It's a beauty.
It's a beauty.
It's a rusty beauty.
Give me a beer so we can get crack-a-lacking.
Need short work of the, that's weird, short work of removing the steering box. So fortunately, David, the previous owner, didn't tighten any of the ball joints or the center link down, so we're easily removed. Otherwise, there's going to be a bit more of a hassle to get that all apart. So that's good. Obviously, the radiator's out, and we've got that over here ready to go back to Elin's. So that's just sitting here, ready to go. I think the radiator might be usable. Looks not too bad.
I think I'm gonna buy an aluminum one.
He's going to buy an aluminum anyway, so. So I think it's about time now that we can put this car down on the ground, since we've pretty much done everything we needed to do. We removed the front two body mounting bolts. That were the only two bolts holding this body on the car. So I think this body is ready to come off. We've got the stiffener piece bolted in, which is going to help with some rigidity. We will add the door bars later when we're ready to move this body. But for now, we'll just get it off jack stands.
And believe it or not, the transmission that he's giving me is already leaking.
Yeah.
Where did it go? Oh, over there. Leaky transmission.
Oh.
That's rare.
So it doesn't rust.
Are we gonna work today or not?
Yeah.
What's with the camera?
Well, you know, tripod guy here. You know, I like to be on camera. You know.
Looks like a microphone, actually.
And I like to use a tripod.
Can you sing us a song?
This is behind the scenes.
Well,
Oh, by the way, Barry's here. Say hi, Barry.
hi Barry, for both videos. All right, so Barry owns a 59 TR3, so he wanted to help today, and that's a great thing that he does for us. So he's gonna help us move all the bodies around. So anyways, without further ado, let's get crack-a-lacking. Let me catch up some of the free narration here. I don't even need to talk anymore. So that's David's chassis. So that's the 50, it was 57, now it becomes 59, right?
Well, it's 59.
It is 59?
I'm keeping this.
Yeah.
The 59
Yeah,
chassis
yeah,
goes
yeah.
with the 57 body type.
Okay.
Got it?
Whatever. Whatever. That's David's chassis. That's my body.
Yes, that's
Finally, we separated his parts from my parts. All right, so one of the chassis. I don't know.
The 57 chassis. This is yours.
This is my chassis now. Okay, so this is 57 now. I don't know what year it was before, but it is 57 now. So that's my chassis. It's been rebuilt before, the suspension, but David says that there's some seals around, something that has been perished. So something has been done, but something needs to be done still. So yeah, so the idea is now to roll this chassis out, roll the other one in, put the body on that chassis, and then we're gonna take the engine and the transmission out of this, because the engine stays, the transmission comes, and we're gonna put that body on this chassis. I get it a little bit at a time. One body, another body.
The wind is pretty dusty.
One chassis, another chassis. Ah, no. That's your engine, I don't care.
Good. So, looks pretty good actually. Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so...
Anything off at all?
No, it's good.
Good. Excellent.
Finally, my body is going on my chassis. Alright, so this is now officially the 57. So that's what I own. Oh, actually I don't own the wheels. The one part of the car that looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay, he wants these wheels back. So I officially own another pile of rust. Nice, I love it. I'll put it next to that pile of rust over there. Yeah, before we load my car into the trailer, we need to remove this one from the trailer. David's 73 TR3 with a bent license plate. Yeah. Anyways, this is not important. Let's enjoy our car here. Isn't she a beauty? Like, there's not much of it. Like, looks like it's missing something. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put this hardware back so I don't lose it. This is from the transmission. He's gonna move his car and then we're gonna put this one inside. Hey, I'm driving my own car. Well, the suspension feels good. It's a little bit slow, but there you go. That's where she's gonna live for another week or so before we unload her and find a space somewhere in the yard for her. Unfortunately, I don't have room inside the garage, and I don't even know when I'm gonna be able to start on her. So we're gonna have to wrap her like she was wrapped over there for the last 6 years. Looks like we're gonna have to wrap her for another few years before I get to her, but you never know, plans change all the time. In the first place, I need to finish the GT6, and then my plan was to jump on the TR6 after that, but who knows, plans change, you know. Well, I haven't been that dirty in a long time, but I'm happy that my car is finally coming with me home. Now I can officially say that I own 5 Triumphs. So, like I said, she's gonna stay in the trailer for now. We're not gonna unload her until sometime next week because I don't have room now. I have to prepare something. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I know there wasn't much action in it, but I forgot my tripod home. So anyway, it is what it is. So stay tuned for more episodes on this eventually, one day. Who knows when. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.